This is a full guide on how to earn up to $700 per day using artificial intelligence to create a full YouTube video without even showing your face. And when I say a full video, I mean that the AI will do everything, including the script, the voiceover, the video editing, and even the selection of keywords to use to help increase viewer engagement. So let's begin. To create the script, we will use ChatGPT. If you don't know what is ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a computer program that can talk to people in a way that seems like a real person and answer questions or have a conversation with you. Now let's say you want to create a video about the 5 tallest buildings on the planet. Just write, generate a 5-minute YouTube script about the 5 tallest buildings on the planet, and the AI will generate your script. And if you want to edit on it, you surely can. Just tell ChatGPT, what do you want to change? And voila! And now after we got our script, we need a voiceover. To do that, we need another AI named Speechify. This tool generates different voiceover from text. They have a free trial. If you want to use it, the link will be in the description. Now just copy your script and put in Speechify. And now all you need is to choose the voice that satisfies you. They have many different voices, even famous ones.
Yo, it's Snoop D-O-double-G, and I'm an English voice from the United States.
Get your voiceover and move to the next step. To create our video and edit it, we're gonna use a tool named Pictory. With Pictory, besides many useful tools that it offers, you can create a full edited video with just pasting the script. Again, the link will be in the description. So now just go to Pictory and paste your script, and after that choose your video type and boom. Now the last thing to do is choosing our video title and description, and as you all know, to get more views in YouTube, you have to use what it's called SEO. To the ones who don't know what is SEO, it's when you chose a specific trending words in your title, description, and video keywords to engage views. So when people search on YouTube about a trendy topic, your video will be one of the firsts that show up. And here where we're gonna use another artificial intelligence called Copy.ai. It is an AI that generates title, description, and keywords to your video using SEO. So all you're going to do is write a YouTube video title about the subject of your video and copy your favorite one. And after that, we need keywords or tags to use in the description of our video, so just write "give me tags to this niche" and boom. And finally, for the description, tell the AI, write a description for this video. And that's how you create a full YouTube video, just like this one, using only artificial intelligence. Don't forget to check out the AI tools from the links in the description to support the creator. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.